G'day guys, welcome back. Pretty quick video today. I just want to run over how to use this Blum universal drilling jig for draw fronts. Now I haven't seen many people make videos on these, this is why I'm making it. I tried to figure it out. It's simple once you understand it, but opening the box, it doesn't give you a lot of information, at least from what I could find. So let's run over quickly what to use it for, how to use it, and the type of measurements that you're going to need for this to work properly. If you're a cabinet maker or building cabinets and you need to do drawers and you're using the Blum hardware and not using the wooden drawer slides, this is what you're going to roughly see. You're going to need 2 holes evenly spaced, and you're going to insert a little peg that connects to these drawer sides. So when looking at this tool, this long side is 30 mil, and I have my one set at 60 mil depth. So basically where this gets put is you have the bottom go to the bottom of the drawer face, the side go to the side of the drawer face, hold it tight, and then drill the different types of holes that you need for the different drawer fronts. You have the N's, the M's, the K's, the C's, and the F's, if I remember correctly. So, how do we set this up? Well, to set the side width, you have 2 knobs. Basically just unscrew it, can move it freely. The one for the bottom of the drawer face has this knob right here. Same thing, unscrew and wiggle it around. Now the other thing that most Blum hardware come with when for drilling, which is really good of them, is you get all the collets for the drill bits that you need. So the main one to use for this, if you're using their standard hardware, is the 10 mil bit. It's currently on the drill, and it has a depth stop built into it. So when you're first getting it out, you basically just push it all the way to the end and tighten the collet. Pretty simple. Now I'm sure the other 2 do the same. They have little bits for the ends, so I'm sure that you can do it that way as well. Let's drill it, and I'll show you what it sort of looks like on this one. So if you have different drawer spacings, say mine are pretty standard. It's basically to the bottom of where the cabinet is, and then the sides, it's pretty easy to get that. The way I first set it up, because I didn't understand, I actually put this to the side of the cabinet with my drawer without its faceplate on, and I got my width by unscrewing them and moving it along until the holes in the middle lined up with the little tag on the inside of these drawer slides. Let me take this drawer front off so I can show you what I mean. Taking Blum drawer slides off is pretty simple. It's basically 2 screws of their star screwdriver, and then it comes right off. So you have the 2 bits that go into the drawers. There's different sizes for different drawer heights. Then when you're looking at it, you're wanting to line them up with these little hooks just there. And that's basically what allows these drawer fronts to sit into place. And to get them in, the easiest way I've found is line up one side, push it in, and it's pretty loose when you do that, so you can then look for the other side and push it in as well. There we go. That's how it's done. That's how to set it up. I'll have some measurements down in the description as well. So come back to the video if you need. That's how you use the Blum universal jig. Any questions, ask in the comments. Other than that, have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.